Assalamualaikum and hi! My name is Nur Khairunisa binti Muhammad Hadi from class S1K3T6. So today I will talk about translation of DNA. Before that, let me introduce the character in this video. We have mRNA. Second, we have small ribosomal subunit. And then we have large ribosomal subunit. We have release factor. We also have tRNA. And the last one, we have the codon table for mRNA. The story begins with part 1, which is the initiation of translation. A small ribosomal subunit binds to an mRNA. The mRNA binding site on this subunit recognizes a specific nucleotide sequence on the mRNA just upstream of the start codon. An initiator tRNA with an anticodon UAC base pairs with the start codon AUG. This tRNA carries the amino acid methionine MET. The arrival of a large ribosomal subunit completes the initiation complex. Proteins called initiation factors are required to bring all the translation components together. Hydrolysis of a GTP provides the energy for the assembly. The initiator tRNA is in the P site. The A site is available to the tRNA bearing the next amino acid. Right now, we are in part 2, which is the elongation cycle of translation. First, codon recognition. The anticodon of an incoming amino acid tRNA base pairs with the complementary mRNA codon in the A site. Hydrolysis of GTP increases the accuracy and efficiency of this step. Although not shown, many different amino acid tRNAs are present, but only the one with the appropriate anticodon will bind and allow the cycle to progress. Next, we go for the peptide bond formation. An rRNA molecule of the large ribosomal subunit catalyzes the formation of a peptide bond between the carboxyl end of the growing polypeptide in the P site and the amino group of the new amino acid in the A site. This step removes the polypeptide from the tRNA in the P site and attaches it to the amino acid on the tRNA in the A site. And the last one for this part is translocation. The ribosome translocates the tRNA in the A site to the P site. At the same time, the empty tRNA in the P site is moved to the E site, where it is released. The mRNA moves along with its bound tRNAs, bringing the next codon to be translated into the A site. So right now, we are in part 3, which is the termination of translation. When a ribosome reaches a stop codon on mRNA, the A site of the ribosome accepts a release factor, a protein shaped like a tRNA instead of an amino acid tRNA. The release factor promotes hydrolysis of the bond between the tRNA in the P site and the last amino acid of the polypeptide, thus freeing the polypeptide from the ribosome. The two ribosomal subunits and the other components of the assembly dissociate with the hydrolysis of two GTP molecules. That's all from me.